market from tomorrow, July 29, right through the week. We'll be looking at DXY and we'll be looking at GBPUSD and Euro USD. Our expectations, our point of interest, and the positions or the directions we are expecting the market to move through within the stipulated week. We notice that there had been a rejection. The market has formed a rejection in the previous week, and this week it was more of a seller's momentum was about turning back when the market is trying to react to the previous resistance, and the market is still respecting the double top that we have had in the market. If you look critically, the market is still respecting this double top that we had. So the market somehow with the DXY is showing us that there is a high possibility for the market to continue with the downward trend after retesting this. There is a possibility the market can pull right down to this zone with respect to double top that we have. So if we have a possibility of a market to sell further, then there is a high tendency that we can see other pairs that correlate with DXY to be buying. So there is also a possibility that the market can push forward again, maybe to create a triple top here based on the candle of the previous week and the rejection. This one closed with a lower wick, with a longer wick to the buyer side. So there is a possibility that the market can buy up again and then create a triple top and maybe even extend right up to this zone, clearing liquidity in this two main zone. So when we are examining DXY on the weekly time frame, we have to understand that the key determinant factor here is this double top that the market has created. Then if we move down to the daily time frame, we'll definitely see the market communicating with us better. Okay, now on the daily time frame, you will notice that after the market has broken this previous support to the downside, the market has created a new change or a break of structure, obviously, to the downside. So the market is telling us that there is a high potential of the market to sell more. The market has moved down more, and the market is retracing back to retest the structure that the market has created. So on the daily time frame, what we should be expecting with the DXY is to see the market move in a pattern as such. From this change of structure, it comes down, then it moves down now to break structure again, then maybe move up and then move down to the side. On the daily time frame, we have confirmation, of course, that DXY will be moving down. Likewise, on the 4 hours time frame, what can we see on the 4 hours time frame? On the 4 hours time frame, we should be expecting that maybe this consolidation might build momentum. If we notice, the market initially on the 4 hours time frame has broken change of character. There is change of character at this level. There is a change of character at this level. So the market has broken this zone down, but the market retraces back. So the market can further push up to maybe test where the momentum, the selling momentum, gathered from before moving down to break it. But now, when the market moves back to this zone on the 4 hours time, if it moves a bit, then pushes down, we should be expecting it to break this structure, the previous zone. It should be able to break this zone before we can see any further move. So what we should be expecting is that on the weekly and the daily time frame, we are seeing the XY selling, while we are on the 4 hours time frame, we are seeing that there is a possibility for the XY to push up a bit, then before moving down to face the initial support we have. If it breaks the support, then obviously we'll see a continuous movement. To the weekly time frame, as we have seen. So from there, the most important thing we should be looking at, we can look at our other currency pair Great Britain pound, United States dollar, which is where we shall actually be executing the market. So overall, you see that GBPUSD is on a downtrend. GBPUSD is on a downtrend, and it has been creating a series of change of structure, breaking structures for almost a week. Almost getting to 2 weeks, the market has been in a continuous downtrend. It moves up, then it comes down to break this structure, then we have this momentum. But actually, the market closed with a seller's candle trying to engulf this. So, what we should be expecting is a continuous sell. So, when the market opens, definitely during the London session, we want to see the market during the Asian session. The market can possibly pull back a bit, then retest this zone, then fall from this zone to create a corresponding support with the initial support we had. Then maybe from there the market can retrace a bit, then to this level where we had the level had initially functioned as a resistance. Then from there now the market can push down. Hopefully this can happen as DXY will be correcting the move on the 4 hours time frame. Remember, we are on the 4 hours time frame with Great Britain pound, United States dollar. So we should be expecting it to sell further before it gets into the demand zone. That should be our expectation. And on the Euro USD, we also notice the same issue. Euro USD has been on a downtrend, but before the market closed last week, it has been consolidating, and it's consolidating as a result of this support level. So the market needs to build momentum from this consolidation to break this support. When it breaks the support, the market must build consolidation, then to pull down and then break the support we are having here. We need to break this support. Once this support is broken, then the next thing we should be expecting is the market pulling down, taking out liquidity at this level. The market will have to pull down to take liquidity at this level. When the market takes liquidity at that level now, then the market can definitely come and rest on the demand zone that caused this change of character, which of course is this. So we should be expecting the market to pull down, then get to take a break at somewhere around this level. So at this level, we'll be expecting maybe to see that the market change character, and we hope that all of these correction, all of this downtrend movement can be formed when the market is actually correcting in the 4 hours, the 4 hours in the XY. So that is how we see the market for the week. And if in case major structures are broken, we will be creating another video to direct or to guide us on how or on our expectations of the market. So this week on Euro USD, we should be expecting to see a further move to the downside. We should be expecting to see a further move to the downside. Obviously, the market can move to this level, then pulls back a bit, then move right down to this zone. This should be our expectations as far as Euro USD is concerned. But now there is also a possibility that the market can push to this level during the Asian session before pulling right down to this zone. So we should all be expecting this as far as the market is concerned on the two pairs. Good luck as we await the market, and I hope that we'll make some profit from the market. And remember, never you trade without a stop loss. Thank you very much.